Keyboard layout. Keyboard is an input device which used to give instruction to the computer. As we understand, keyboard is one of the parts of computer. Keyboard is used to first type letters and numbers. Second, keyboard look like a typewriter. If you wanted to write in the computer, or if you wanted to type the letters and numbers in the computer, we should use keyboard. Third, keyboard has buttons to type. Without button, we cannot write any letter or any number into the computer. Four, keyboard is connected to the CPU. When we press a keyboard or a key on the keyboard, it will be displayed on the monitor. When we press the keys of the keyboard, it will be displayed on the monitor. Keyboard has 104 or more keys. These keys are divided into 6 different groups. The first keys of the keyboard are alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are starting from A up to Z. Second, number keys. Those are starting from 0 up to 9. Third, function keys. Function keys starting from F1 up to F12. 4. Arrow keys. 5. Numeric keypad keys. 6. Special keys. Let us discuss all of them. As you see in the image, just we looking the keys of the keyboard. Those are the function keys. The special keys, we call it, those are the special keys. Those are the numeric keys. Those all are numeric keys. Those are the ampersand number keys. Those all are what we call it alphabet keys. Those are arrow keys. Don't forget, student. Good. Alphabet keys. These keys have 26 letters of English alphabet marked on them in capital letters. They are not there in the alphabetical order. They are arranged in order to enable the user to type the text with good speed. Apart from the 26 letters, punctuation marks, comma, full stop, etc. also form as a part of the alphabet keys. At the bottom of alphabet keys, you can see an extra long key. It is used to leave some blank space after typing each word. This space separates every 2 words from each other. This long key is called the space bar. Second, number keys. These keys are marked with the digits from 0 to 9. They are used to type numerals like 12, 357, 1090, 927. Just like those are the number keys. Numbers keys are there above the alphabet keys. They are in their natural order, or they are in their natural order 1, 2, 3, 9 and 0. Along with these digits, there are some symbols, one on the top of each digit. These symbols are just as we see here: slide, exclamation mark, at, hashtag, dollar, the module, the power, and star, and the comma, addition, subtraction, space, and so on. When you simply press any of the number keys, number shows itself on the monitor. But when you press a number key with the shift key pressed as well, the symbol marked above that number appears on the monitor. For example, if you press the 2 key, the monitor will be the digit 2, B. But if you press the 2 key along with shift key, the monitor will show the symbol at. If you press shift at the same time, shift and 2, shift and 2, shift and 2, if you press shift and 2, your monitor display at. Your monitor will display at. Good. That we call it what? Shortcut. Okay. Function keys. Function keys are there on the top of the keyboard above the number keys. They are marked F1, F2, F3 up to F12. Each of these keys is used for special function or job, like changing the text into boldface or italics, and for other function. For example, the amper keys are what? The function F1, F2 up to F12. The first one is what? Numeric keypad case. Numeric keypad case is the second set of number keys on the keyboard of a computer. It is there on the rightmost part of the keyboard. The keys of this set have digits marked on them in rows from the bottom to upwards. The 0 marked in this set has a transverse line crossing it. Look, those are what? Number keypads. Numeric keypad space is just like this one. Don't forget this one. Those we call it numeric keypad keys. Okay, student. Numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is used to feed mathematical data, as the keys of this pad have numbers in a compact form, just as the keys on a calculator have. They are not in scattered form as the numbers keys above the alphabet keys of the keyboard are. So it is far easier for the operator to do figure work using this keypad. Apart from digits, the numeric keypad has some mathematical symbols also marked on its keys. They include multiplication sign, subtraction sign, addition sign, division sign, and the decimal point. Don't forget those keys. The division sign, star represent the multiplication sign, this minus, and this one is what? Plus or addition sign. Good. The fifth keys of keyboard, we call it what? Arrow keys. Arrow keys are there on the keyboard, just to the left or numeric keypad at the bottom. They are only 4 in number. These keys have arrow marked on them showing the 4 direction. They are used to the first, move the cursor to where we want it to be. Second, move the selected text or object to the desired place on the monitor. Third one is down. The fourth one is left arrow. The sixth and the last keys of the keyboard, we call it what? Special keys. These keys do special jobs as the function keys. But there is a difference between jobs of the two. That means the function keys and special keys have different jobs. In the case of function key, the job assigned to it may change, but each special key is used for a job which never changes. Special keys are not there together, they are scattered all over the keyboard. Don't forget, those are what we call it what? Special keys. Enter, Shift, Control, Window, Alternative, and so on. Some important and special keys are caps lock key. Caps lock key is one of special key of keyboard. This special keywords works independently. It used to type text in capital letters. When we press this key, then release, it does not stop its function, but if press again, it comes back. There is an indicator shows its green light. Caps lock key is used to type some text in capital letter. For example, United Vision Academy School. Second special key is Shift key. Shift key always works in combination with other keys. This key used to produce capital letters and also symbols. If you press one of the alphabet key, normally type small letters of the alphabet key, but if we first press the Shift key and then the alphabet key, it becomes a capital letter. And when we need to type a symbol marked on the numeral key, we first press the Shift key and the number key. As a result, the symbol gets typed. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. We can use whichever is handy. Good. The another special key is Enter key. Enter key is the most important and the most used key of the keyboard. We call it Enter key. Enter key is used to give instruction or commands to the computer. Second, it takes the key or Enter key takes the cursor to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard, the left side and the right side. My name is Alamu. Enter. I am learning at Enter United Vision. The third special key, we call it what? Backspace key. Backspace key is like an eraser key. It has backward around marked on it. When it is pressed, it erases the letter that has just been typed. Pressed again, it erases another letter on the left side. The symbol of backspace is just like this one and this one. Don't forget. Good. Another one is the special key is what? Control key. Control key control various functions in the combination with other types of keys. The most important job of this key is to give command for saving the text or object. There are two control keys on the keyboard and we can use whichever comes handy. The left side and right side control key. Summary. Keyboard is an input device which is used to give data to the computer. Keyboard has 104 or more keys. Keyboard keys are divided into 6 groups. Alphabet keys have 26 letters of English alphabet. Number keys are used to type numbers and symbols. Function keys are marked F1, F2 like F12, which are used for special function. Numeric keypad keys are the second set of number keys and it works like calculator. Arrow keys used to show the full direction. Shift key, backspace key, enter, delete, control keys are special keys. There are two enter, two control and two shift keys on the keyboard. These all are what we have for today. Thank you, student. Goodbye.